All right, so we're going to read this article called Tiger at New York City's Bronx Zoo Has Coronavirus. A tiger at the Bronx Zoo in New York has tested positive for the coronavirus. The coronavirus is a flu-like illness. It began in China. It has been spreading across the globe since December 2019. Health officials have been encouraging social distancing. This means staying home and staying away from other people to help slow the spread of the virus. Many schools have shut down. So have many places where people gather. This includes stadiums, aquariums, and zoos. First known case in animal in U.S. This is believed to be the first known case in an animal in the United States, the zoo said on April 5th. This is also the first case of a tiger anywhere getting the coronavirus. The 4-year-old tiger is named Nadia. 6 other tigers and lions have also become sick. The first animals started showing signs of illness on March 27th. However, all of the animals are doing well and are expected to get better, according to the zoo. The test results surprised people at the zoo. I couldn't believe it, Director Jim Breheny said. He hopes that finding out about Nadia can add to the worldwide fight against the virus. The news brings up questions about how the virus spreads in animals. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, which confirms the tiger's test result, said that there are no known cases in U.S. pets or farm animals. On April 5th, the USDA said that it is not recommending testing zoo animals, other animals, or zoo employees for the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads when infected people come in contact with healthy people, experts say. There have been a few cases outside the United States of pet dogs or cats getting the coronavirus after coming too close to infected people. For example, a dog in Hong Kong has the coronavirus. Agriculture experts in Hong Kong said that pet dogs and cats cannot give the virus to human beings. However, pets can get sick if they come into contact with owners who have it. Limiting contact with animals. In general, people who have the coronavirus should limit their contact with animals. Also, people should wash their hands after handling animals. This will help keep pets and their homes clean. At the Bronx Zoo, Nadia, 3 other tigers, and 3 lions developed dry coughs. And some of the cats had shortness of breath and loss of appetite, said Dr. Paul Calley. He is the zoo's chief veterinarian. The zoo workers figured there must be a reason for the cat sickness. They tested Nadia for the coronavirus just to be safe, Breheny said. Calley said that the test was different from the one that is used for humans. It was done by a lab that deals with animals only, not humans. The 7 sick cats live in 2 different areas at the zoo. However, all of the animals had contact with the same worker who was doing okay, zoo workers said. They said that there are no signs of illness in other big cats on the property. People who work with the cats will now wear special clothing to protect against infection. For most people, the coronavirus causes mild symptoms such as a fever and a cough that go away in 2 to 3 weeks. However, for some people, especially older adults, it can cause more severe sickness. It can also be deadly.